Age is just a number. The inspiring journey of Dr. Jeffry Life. We often hear the phrase age is just a number, but how many of us truly believe it? Dr. Jeffry Life, a man who defied the conventional limits of aging, is a living testament to the idea that it's never too late to embrace a healthier, more active lifestyle. Born in July 1938, Dr. Life is currently 84 years old, yet his physical prowess and vitality would put many individuals half his age to shame. His inspiring journey from an ordinary, sedentary life to a vibrant, healthy existence is a beacon of hope for those looking to take charge of their health and well-being, no matter their age. The turning point at 60, Dr. Jeffry Life's transformation began at the age of 60. Until that point, he had led a typical life for a middle-aged man, working as a family therapist in New York. However, he realized that in his dedication to helping others, he had neglected the most important patient of all, himself. At 60, Dr. Life was grappling with several health issues, including diabetes, heart problems, chronic fatigue, and even impotence. It was a wake-up call that prompted him to take action. A new approach to diet. Dr. Life's journey toward renewed health began with a critical examination of his diet. He made significant changes by eliminating sugar, flour products, white rice, and potatoes. He also bid farewell to his beer drinking days. These dietary alterations laid the foundation for his remarkable transformation, the power of exercise. But diet was only one piece of the puzzle. Dr. Life understood that physical activity was essential to regaining his health. He embarked on a fitness journey, partnering with a former Marine as his coach, who pushed him beyond his comfort zone. Dr. Life lost 25 kilograms, 55 pounds within 5 months, motivating him to commit even more to his fitness journey. From sedentary to sculpted, as Dr. Life continued his fitness regimen, he witnessed profound changes in his body. His diseases began to recede, the beer belly melted away, and his physique took on athletic contours. Dr. Life was determined to prove that age was not a barrier to achieving physical excellence. Hormone replacement therapy. One challenge Dr. Life faced was the age-related decrease in testosterone, which can lead to muscle loss. To address this, he sought hormone replacement therapy under medical supervision. This treatment, combined with his exercise routine, helped him build quality muscle mass and eliminate fat, a dedication that will last a lifetime to exercising. The road to better health and fitness for Dr. Life did not end with his transformation. Rather, he made it a permanent commitment. He committed himself to weight training, aerobic activity, stretching, and even martial arts. He even competed in a few tournaments. His workout schedule consisted of going to the gym 5 times a week, for a total of little more than an hour each time, a holistic method of treating health issues. The comprehensive approach to medicine that Dr. Life takes is what sets him different from his competitors. He places a strong emphasis on the idea that attaining and sustaining a healthy lifestyle calls for a mix of elements, some of which include physical fitness, appropriate diet, hormonal balance, and a happy mindset. Contributing to the graceful aging of others, the motivational journey of Dr. Life is not just a personal victory, it is also a goal to assist other people in maturing in a dignified manner. He became knowledgeable in gerontology via his studies, and he used that information in his medical practice. By doing so, he has given a great number of people the ability to fight against the consequences of aging, the significance of protein as well as nutritional supplements. To maintain people's health as they become older, Dr. Life suggests particular supplements like calcium, vitamin D3, coenzyme Q10, probiotics, and lycopene, as well as a diet high in protein. He also advocates for a diet that is high in antioxidants, advice that can help you achieve your health and fitness goals. A nutrient-balanced diet, regular meal planning, and eating smaller meals more often are some of the practical advice provided by Dr. Life. Your day to prioritize health and commit to a consistent exercise routine. In conclusion, Dr. Jeffry Life's inspiring journey serves as a powerful reminder that age should not limit our pursuit of health and vitality. His story demonstrates that with determination, lifestyle changes, and a holistic approach to wellness, anyone can defy the conventional constraints of aging and enjoy a vibrant, fulfilling life at any age. Dr. Life's legacy continues to inspire countless individuals to embark on their own journeys toward health, well-being, and a more active lifestyle, proving that indeed, age is just a number. And that's all for this video. Subscribe for more.